when it comes to Halloween, I'm going to take sweet over scary any day. I much prefer a candy corn theme than something that's going to give me the creeps. So I took a jack-o'-lantern that lights up and added in lots of different picks with the candy corn theme. Some of these came from Joann, some of these from the Dollar Tree, some were from Michael's. It was basically a little bit from everywhere. And that ribbon came from Craft Outlet. So I put everything in there, trying to make sure everything was evenly distributed for the weight so that it didn't tip over, but I wanted to make sure it had some height as well. I wanted it to be dramatic, even though it's not necessarily so spooky. And I really like how it all turned out. It had the black in there with the orange playing off the yellow and the white, so just enough of a balance there. And this is the end result. As you can see, it lights up. Perfect for an entryway, perfect for a tablescape, and this is available at sweetariadecor.com.